Okay, so I want to show the before and after how you can take this. We did the fluff and then use some dark wax on it, some dark patina, but it just has a little bit too rustic of a look for me. And so let's just bring it up a notch. And look how we can do it with these Posh Pigments. Look how simple. I mean, just passing that brush over and look what it does to it. This is gonna look so beautiful on the wall. Everything should have sparkle on it. Everything. My husband sat still long enough, I'd sparkle him up too. Not sure he'd appreciate it.